So here we are. We've got my brand new $35 lapidary. Watch this. And it works. I can turn up the speed. No, I can't. This is a one speed does everything. It just sits there and chugs along now. So I have diamond wheels. I also have diamond little discs, 2-inch discs that will fit right on here. And they have all the sanding papers that the different grits in some cheap mixture, but I use diamond paste right on them. I just add my own diamond. And then it works pretty good. And this is going to be a beauty, huh? Look at that. Isn't that something? And, oh yeah, the best part, it's 12 volt. I can run it in my truck when I'm out at the mine and cut rocks and saw them and grind them and polish them and look at them the way they should be looked at right away. Very cool. $35 from Wish. That's fucking amazing, man. How do they do that? Because it's a lathe, right? It's a cool little lathe. And I can turn things and machine parts on it. I have a machine table that I can mount it on that will help me grind and do things with a micrometer dial to adjust the thing, which is awesome. I can make close tolerance little tiny parts that way. Very cool.